Hey you guys, this is your girl Brie Milanni and I am coming back to you with another video. Okay, so you probably thought that this video was about this hair, but nope, that is going to be in a different video. But I got me some cute little lashes. I am peeked in the bag a little bit, so yeah, they cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do an unboxing video, and before I get started on the video, please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel, so when I post this video coming up next, then you'll be able to be notified when it posts, so that way you can go get it. Okay, all right. Thank you for my new subscribers and my current subscribers. I love y'all. Gang gang, what's up? What's up, y'all? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video and let's get started, okay? Because I'm excited. I received these eyelashes from Diva Beauty, and when I received the lashes, this is the packaging, how it came. Real cute. And then it comes with purple wrap, and well, I'm gonna show you how it comes like in the box, which is really cute. That's really cute packaging. And then this is the lashes and how they came in the box. The presentation of these lashes are so cute. I like it. It's very girly, and I like girly stuff. So I have a total of 3 lashes. Just taking them out the bag. Like, once you're done with the lashes, you can always put it back in each case and just put it back in this bag, and perfect. But this bag is just like so, I just love anything that's like a rose gold, a purple, a purplish pink. I love it. The packaging up close. Very cute. This is the first pair. All right. This one is the second pair. And this is the third pair. This is the third pair. All right, y'all, so I do not have no lashes on right now. I just did my foundation, my little eyeliner, little eyeshadow, and lip. Okay, so I don't have no lashes on, so just remember what I said. Okay? I'm gonna go ahead and try on these lashes, and I'll be back. I also wanted to mention before I try these lashes on is that the case that is in, like the plastic part, this is, you're able to take it out and then you're able to put it back in. Okay, so just wanted to mention that. So typically when I wear lashes, I usually have to cut a little bit because the majority of the time they be too long. So I'm just gonna pull it off on the end. Okay, wasn't too hard to get off. Okay, and I'm going to just see how it looks on my eye first before I cut it. Y'all, I might need a mirror. Let's try this again. Okay, I can't. This is nothing with the lashes. This is me. Yeah, I can already tell that these are going to be long for me. I have to cut the end, but so far I don't even have it laid down, and these lashes are cute. All right, so that was just like a pre-application, but like I said, I'm gonna cut them a little bit because because I feel like they're a tad bit long. I'm not gonna cut much. I'm probably just gonna cut off like this much, like this much, like this little piece right here at the end. I'm gonna cut. You always want to cut on the end of the lash. I'm going to go ahead and apply these lashes, and I will be back. And typically when I'm done like cutting off like a lash, I just attach it back to the case that it came in. Alright, you guys, I am back with the first pair of lashes. Okay, I'm going to do a little zoom. Y'all, I have contacts in, okay? I wear glasses, but I got contacts and they are colored, okay? So don't get freaked out. They just contacts, okay? Ooh. Pretty lashes. These are kind of like girly, but a little dramatic type of lashes. But these are cute. I like. These are the, let's say for instance, if you have a plain outfit or like a casual outfit and you don't want to do too much, or you may not have on too much jewelry, and you put these lashes on, these would definitely pop. Like, yes, these are really cute. I'm liking them. I'm liking them. I am liking them. Pretty. And they are pretty long, so if you're trying to wear some sunglasses or some glasses, it might touch the glasses. So I just want to give you a heads up on that. But yeah, these are cute. All right, let's go on. I'm gonna zoom one more time because these are just like Barbie doll type of eyelashes. Yes, so these is really, really cute. Ooh. Really pretty. I like these. I don't know, these might be my favorite, but I don't know. I can't say which one is my favorite yet because I haven't tried on the other pair. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the next pair, and I will see y'all in a second, okay? All right, y'all, I have on my second pair, and these how these lashes are looking. These are looking cute. Now these are a fuller look in the lashes, but they are shorter, but they still give you a semi-dramatic look. So I like these as well. My eyeliner make them pop, and me having a black eyeliner and you're still able to see the lashes, that's what make it like A1, okay? So I'm gonna give you a close-up. And these how they look on the side. These are the lashes I can wear with sunglasses. Okay, let me put some glasses on to see if they are sunglasses or glasses approved, okay? Y'all, these are sunglasses, glasses approved, okay? These are the sunglasses and they are not touching my glasses. And these are the pair where I want to wear glasses. This would be the pair I want to put on. Perfect. Perfect, okay? All right, so let's go on to, I don't even want to take these glasses off, but I got to. but I'm not even outside. It's not even sunny right now. But I'm gonna go on to the third pair and let's go. Band is not too thick, but yet it's comfortable. That's as well as the first pair. The band is comfortable and it's soft, but it's still sturdy to hold the lash. The last but not least, these lashes, which is the third pair. Look it out again. One more close up. Oh, these feel soft, y'all. These feel so soft. This is the last pair, and this is the third pair. And y'all, these are the very dramatic lashes. And as you can tell, they are thick. They're like, look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. Hey, look at me, look at me, look at me. This is how these lashes are. Like, I wonder if I do my bottom lashes, how these lashes would look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. I'll go ahead and do that. Yes, I should have did this with the other lashes. So I'm mad now. But once again, like I said, this was a dramatic look, and I wanted to see how it's gonna look with dramatic lashes. So it came out really cute, even with the bottom lashes on. So yes, these are really cute. These babies are long. You cannot wear these with glasses, but I'm gonna still check just to see. These lashes may be my favorite lashes. I don't know why, but they're dramatic how I like it, and it gives me that. Okay, so these are touching a little bit. Or if you had the glasses that come down to like your nose and you wear them like this, you can do it that way. That's the style. But wearing it like this just to take pictures. These are the lashes. I'm gonna give you a side view one more time, cause these is cute. Alright, all of these lashes, like I said, they are $10 each pair. Now the blue, the first pair and the third pair that I showed you, each one of those lashes are 25mm lashes, and then the second pair that I showed you, that's like a natural lash. If you have any questions and you want to make a purchase on each pair that I showed you from her Facebook, which is Mrs. Crystal Affairable, and it is spelled with a capital M R S, capital C R Y S T A L, space E F E R E B O, and I will also leave that in the bottom of this video, and as well as I will leave it in the description box. And her Instagram is Diva Beauty Co with 2 underscores, and it's all lowercase. So it's DEEVABEAUTYCO __. Once again, I will leave it at the bottom of this video, and I will leave it in the description box as well. And you can just either just message her or you could just DM her. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. I hope to see y'all in my next video, which will be about this hair. So stay tuned, because I will be posting it soon, okay? If you want to know about this hair, like I said, please make sure you do subscribe, because I'm going to be coming with the bangers, okay? I will see y'all in my next one. I love y'all.